Study shows that if you invest 50,000 with a broker charging 2% annual fee, after 30 years you could lose approximately 178,000 in potential returns compared to broker with a 0.25%. That's why once you're choosing the brokerage, it's very important in terms of your investment returns. In this video, we will compare top 3 major players in the investing world, such as Etrade, Fidelity, and Vanguard. Before we dive in, just a quick note. This video is just for entertainment purposes and it's not financial advice. And all the information that we have covered in this video, including the numbers, might vary over the time. Each of these brokerages has its own strengths and weaknesses. An understanding of them will help you to make the decision. We will explore key factors such as investment goals, fees, investment options, user experience, customer service, and also educational resources that these platforms are providing. By the end of the video, you will have information that you need to choose the right brokerage that fits your investment style and goals. Well, first consider your investment goals and style. Are you a long-term investor focusing on building wealth over time? Or are you an active trader looking for a quick return? Well, Vanguard is often favored by long-term investors due to its low-cost index funds and ETFs. With an average expense ratio of just 0.1%, Vanguard has built a reputation for keeping costs low. This makes it an excellent choice for buy and hold investors who want to minimize fees over time. On the other hand, Etrade is designed with active traders in mind. It offers advanced trading platforms such as Etrade Web and Power Etrade. It's equipped with powerful charting tools and real-time data. So if you are someone who enjoys frequent trading and needs robust tools, so Etrade be more suitable for you. Fidelity is a balance of two. It offers a wide range of investment products and it has a user-friendly platform and it makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced investors. Fidelity's $0 trades and extensive research tools are suitable for a different investment style. So the choice should reflect really on your investment goals. If you focused on long-term growth, well, Vanguard is a great option. For active trading, Etrade is ideal and Fidelity fit all type of investors at the end. Now let's dive into a very important topic, which is fees and commissions, which is super crucial once you need to choose the right brokerage. So when considering fees, there are several types to keep in mind. The first one is trade commissions. These are the fees charged when you buy or sell stocks and other investments. The second one is the account maintenance fee. So some brokerages charge simply for keeping your account open, and this can vary widely from one brokerage to another. The third one is inactivity fees, which can be applied when you have no trades for a certain period of time, and that typically range from $5 to $20 per month. And finally, it's good to consider expense ratios. For mutual funds or ETFs, expense ratios are annual fees expressed as the percentage of your investments in the funds. So lower expense ratios can significantly impact your overall returns over time. All right, so now let's take a closer look at the commissions for the Etrade, Fidelity, and Vanguard. So in case if we're starting with the Etrade, we can see that it offers a $0 trades for stocks and ETFs, which is fantastic for investors who are looking to minimize their trading costs. However, if you require broker assistant trades, so be aware that Etrade charges $25 and it's quite relatively competitive compared to Fidelity's $32.95. And once we take Etrade, it also has the pre-contract fee for 65 cents for options trading, and it's quite solid for in case if you're trading with the options. And another one we have Fidelity, and like Etrade, Fidelity also offers a $0 trades on stocks and ETFs. This makes it definitely attractive options for both casual and active investors. Fidelity stands out with a wide range for non-transactional fee for mutual funds, which is beneficial for investors who is looking to build a diversified portfolio without incurring high costs. However, its broker-assisted trade fee is higher than E-Trade's. So if you looking for assistant frequently, that could add extra costs on your shoulders definitely. Finally, we have Vanguard, and which is known for its low-cost investment philosophy, as we have covered previously. So Vanguard also offers $0 trades on stocks and ETFs, but it does charge a higher per contract fee for options at $1. And main benefit of Vanguard is its low expense ratios for mutual funds. And it's quite ideal for long-term investors, definitely. However, it does have a $20 annual fee for IRA, which is something to consider if you're planning to hold an IRA account. So as we just took a look, we have seen that Vanguard, Etrade, and Fidelity, they have different kind of commissions and fees. So it's quite important to consider depending on which kind of trading journey you're going to have. But as the summary, we could say that the Fidelity is most expensive based on all the options that we have seen in terms of the commissions. So in case of the commission and fee, one of the important factor that you're going to consider, then just take a note that two brokerages that we have considered, they have a little bit lower, once the Fidelity has the highest commissions on average for all that we have considered. All right, so now let's take a look on which kind of investment options Etrade, Fidelity, and Vanguard have. Well, once it comes to Etrade offers a lot of different things, as you can see like on the screen. It could be like stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, options, futures, bonds, and even though like they have the robo-advisors through the Etrade core service, this makes Etrade good for people who want to invest in all kind of things. They also let you buy parts of expensive stocks, and it's quite handy, for example, in case if you're a beginning investor. If we talk about the Fidelity, basically it has all the options that we have listed for the E-Trade. And what makes Fidelity stand out is that they have a lot of mutual funds you can buy without paying any fees. And like E-Trade, Fidelity offers like fractional shares, and they also have the robo-advisor, but it's called Fidelity Go, and it's quite perfect for hands-on investors. If we talk about the Vanguard, it also has a lot of those options that we have listed for the Fidelity and E-Trade, but Vanguard platform is more focused on the long-term investors. And as well as the Fidelity and E-Trade, it has a robo-advisor, and it's called Vanguard Digital Advisor, and it makes quite easy for investors to manage their money. And Vanguard also has the fractional shares. So if you don't want to invest a lot of money in the beginning, you can use this option as well. So as you have seen that if we take the E-Trade or Vanguard or Fidelity, they have a lot of different kind of options where you can invest. But the only difference probably is that in case if we take the Vanguard, they are more focused on the long-term investors. So if you are the beginner who is only like trying to invest, or you are not the beginner and don't want to invest a lot of money, so probably the option would be to go with the other two. But if you're considering the long-term investing, well, Vanguard is a good option. Now let's talk about the user interface and usability. Even though like we have covered the commissions and fees, which is a prior once we're trying to choose the brokerage, in case if we're going to use the platform that it's not easy to navigate, then it could definitely destroy our investment journey. Once it comes to eTrade, it offers two powerful trading platforms, eTrade Web and Power eTrade. The Power eTrade is particularly popular among active traders for its advanced charting tools, customizable layouts, and real-time data. So users has praised its intuitive design and functionality, making it easy to execute trade and analyze the trends. Well, Fidelity also provides a user-friendly experience with its website and mobile app. The Fidelity mobile app is highly rated for its functionality. It allows users to manage their accounts, execute trades, and access research tools on mobile. While Fidelity's Active Trader platform is another strong offering designed for active traders with advanced features and real-time analytics. In contrast, Vanguard has more a basic platform that is geared towards long-term investors. While it is straightforward and easy to use, it lacks some of the advanced features found in eTrade and Fidelity. The Vanguard's mobile app is functional but may feel dated compared to the competition. In summary, if you're looking for advanced trading tools and robust platform, well, Etrade and Fidelity are the better choices. Vanguard is suitable for investors who prefer a simple, no-frills approach to investing. Access to quality research and educational resources can significantly enhance your investment experience. So Etrade and Fidelity, they both excel in this area. They offer a wide range of research tools and educational materials. Well, Etrade provides in-depth research reports from third-party providers like Morningstar and CFRA, along with the market commentary and analysis. The educational center includes articles, videos, webinars. They cover various investing topics, and it could be particularly helpful in case if you're starting your investment journey. To be honest, Fidelity also has a lot of different kind of tools for education. They have their own Fidelity's Learning Center, and it's quite good in case if you are looking for different kind of tips and tricks how to make the investments. It also includes the stock screeners, market analysis, and portfolio analysis tools. Fidelity also quite competitive in this question. If we talk about Vanguard, Vanguard also has plenty of different kind of materials that you can use to educate yourself in terms of the investment journey. However, it more focused on long-term investing, as we have covered like several times, and like all the materials are like targeting the long-term investing journey. So in case if you feel quite well with your own like investment education, then it's basically no reason, like in case if you're going to take the E-Trade or Fidelity or Vanguard, and especially in case if you are like a long-term investor, well, in terms of the education material, Vanguard is a great option. But if you are looking for something where you can find like a different kind of educational materials, then the best options to go is Fidelity and E-Trade. Now we're going to take a look on the customer support and service that the brokerages have been providing, which is quite critical once you're choosing the brokerage, because in case if you don't have any answer from the assistants, and the money are locked, so it's not a good thing. Well, E-Trade offers 24/7 phone support, allowing you to speak with representatives who can assist with various inquiries. Users have reported mixed experience with E-Trade customer service, with some stating that helpfulness of the staff, while others have noted longer time waits during the peak hours. A user, for example, on the Buggleheads forum mentioned that while E-Trade has knowledgeable representatives, the service could improve in terms of the response time. Fidelity, on the other hand, has a strong reputation for customer service. Their 24/7 phone support is complemented by online chat feature and secure email support. So quite many users have expressed that everything is fine with the Fidelity service in terms of customer support. When it comes to Vanguard, it also provides a solid customer service with the phone support available during the business hours. However, some users have expressed their frustration with the lack of 24/7 support and absence of online chat apps. So right now we have went through the main criteria once we're trying to choose the brokerage. Now let's make the summary and see which kind of takeaways do we have. So if we take the look on the investment goals and we make in the summary, then E-Trade is best suited for active traders who value advanced tools and robust platform. If we take a look on the Fidelity, Fidelity more caters to a wide range of investors, but it also could be a good option in case if you're a beginner or if you're a professional trader as well. Once we go to the Vanguard, probably as you have noticed during the whole path of this video, Vanguard is more focused on the long-term investors. If we talk about the fees and commissions, well, in this case, all three brokers, they offer $0 trades on stocks and ETFs. And E-Trade may have higher fees for some products like broker-assisted trades, for example. Once we talk about the Vanguard, it has very low expense ratios on its mutual funds and ETFs. Once we go to the investment options, Well, Etrade offers most diverse selection, including stocks, ETFs, options, futures, and forex. Fidelity and Vanguard, it provides stocks and ETFs and also mutual funds. Vanguard is known more for its wide range of low-cost mutual funds. If we talk about the user experience, well, in this case, Etrade and Fidelity have more user-friendly platforms with advanced tools, while Vanguard is a little bit old-fashioned if we compare it to Etrade and Fidelity. In case if I'm wrong, also put a comment, and that's just my objective opinion about that. If we talk about the research and education, then Fidelity and E-Trade are like better for you in case if you are looking for really sophisticated like video materials and etc. Because as we have noticed for the Vanguard, it's more focused on the long-term investors. So in case if you're a beginner, then probably E-Trade and Fidelity are better options for you in this case. Once we talk about the customer support, well, all of these are quite equal. The only thing we have noticed once we've been making the research that the Vanguard is quite good, but at the same time, like it's a little bit missing this 24/7 support. All right, guys. So that's it for today. We have explored top three brokerages such as like Fidelity, Vanguard, and E-Trade. And as we have noticed, the E-Trade and Fidelity are good options as for beginners and for professional traders. But in case if you are interested on a more like a long term, then you should go with the Vanguard. This is very objective opinions. In case if you feel something a little bit different, also please share in the comments and we will try to respond on that. But anyway, thanks for watching this video, and in case if you like it and you feel it was useful, please hit the subscribe button and also like the video. Thank you.